Hello everybody, welcome to Tech Tuesday. My name's Hunter Siebert and today we're going to be tackling one of those big battle discussions at the dinner table. Apple versus Android technology. Which operating system is better for you and why? Now let's get down to brass tacks. With Android, you're going to be able to customize your device a lot better, so that way it's going to be running the way that you want it to run better. Now, whereas Apple sacrifices customization, they offer you way greater in optimization ability to be able to operate your device in a much easier and flow. Samsung's data transfer ability is much easier than Apple's. With Samsung, it merges your data, whereas Apple, it deletes and copies it over, so you might be more likely to lose information that you have saved on your device when you're transferring over to another one. Thank you for joining me this Tech Tuesday. My name's Hunter Siebert. This has been a discussion over Apple versus Android devices. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them down below so that way we can help you guys out. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as well, so that way you guys can tune into more Tech Tuesday and exciting videos. My name's Hunter Siebert, and I'll see you again soon.